have the entrance to Independence Mine in Hatcher's Pass. Absolutely beautiful.
Oh,
so the parking cost of the vehicle, it'll cover your parking fee, it'll cover the driver's admission fee, but each additional passenger of the each van is $3.
okay.
So how many people total in the vehicle?
One.
Just the two of them. So it'd just be $3.
And then for them too, they have two in there.
Them as well? Do they have a? They don't have the pass?
No.
So it'll be $8 for that one, and then $3 for this one. So you're looking at $11.
That's fine.
We got him again.
So $5, $6, $7, $8, and $9 is your change.
Thank you.
Have a good day, guys.
You too.
Oh, those people up there. Got you. This is a great place to come in both summer and winter. In the winter, you can do a lot of cross-country skiing up here.
Snowboarding, people snowboard up here all the time. Actually, working on building a ski resort here. They've been talking about it for years and years and years.
You're waving at us. A ski resort would be awesome here. Pretty that is.
I could be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. We could be gazing at the stars, but now it feels just like I wandered off into a room and closed the door behind me. I never gave the key to you, even though I wanted to. I should be trying something new, but now my body's aching. I'm tired of dwelling in the dark, it's just that my heart can't take it. I didn't know what it would cost me when I let you go. I feel alone, and I'm just singing, It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. It could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do. It should have been you. I could be driving to your place, but now the ground is shaking. Could be a phase, but it feels like it will never go away until we make up. I can't be myself. I never knew how much I needed you. It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. It could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let you go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do, 'cause it should have been you. It should have been you. I could be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. You could have been the one who made me feel home. What a crime and what a shame to let go. Ooh, it should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. You could have been the one who made me feel at home. What a crime and what a shame to
scary.
This little apartment house right here was built in 1937, and it took 7 weeks to build. Look at that old phone. It has 4 bedrooms, and this is where the supervisors and their wives stayed.
It's pretty amazing how they had Nalgene bottles back in 1938.
Well, they built it in 37. Maybe they had them in 38. They built the cookhouse, the mess hall right here. So they'd have to walk all the way down here to eat, and then walk all the way back up.
Dinner's ready.
What did you make?
What's for dinner?
Chicken pot pie.
Yum.
Yum.
Chicken pot pie. That's 30-cent real. I know how afraid of heights you are. All the hilltops go with people cooking.
Oh, really?
Like Alaskans have the tiny ground. That's a good story right there. You can put that one in the bank. Man's looking for gold.
We took a little turn off this road up to Summit Lake, and Owen and Lynn are right behind us. They've been such good sports about following us along this journey. It said primitive road next 20 miles, so they're probably thinking, what the heck, where are they taking us? But just up at the top here is the lake. We let the dogs swim for a while. For some reason I remember this road being really long, but we'll see how they do behind us.
We drove all the way down.
We drove the whole thing. We're not driving the whole thing today. Look at this Jeep passing us up, man.
In a hurry.
That's when you catch rocks. They're right behind us. Had to get Ember swimming, so we took her up here, and she is happy. Oh. Can imagine this water isn't freezing cold though. You cold? couple of hairpin turns here. The road up to Summit Lake is not recommended for RVs, large motorhomes. It's bumpy, but it's mostly because of the width. Sometimes the road is turns into a one-lane road. So the van worked perfectly going up there, and the Travato made it perfectly as well. So it was fun. Well, we sure enjoyed our adventure today. Had to say goodbye to Lynn and Owen again for a while because they're going to head into Palmer and pick up some groceries. The dogs enjoyed the adventure. Oh, it's tracking. And the dogs sure enjoyed the adventure today as well. Sleepy, wet puppies right there, aren't you? Thank you so much for joining us on our adventure today. If you're new to our channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you liked this video, give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, go ahead and comment in the comment section below. We'd love to hear from you, and we do respond to every comment that we see and receive. So we are going to be spending a little bit more time exploring Alaska, and we have a lot more in store for you beyond Alaska as well. So stay tuned. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.